Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Joby Salgisang Espiritu, 26 years old, single, with one child, age 5 years old, living at Anapunan, Etchaga, Isabela. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am second child of the family. I am high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as domestic worker. I serve 1 couple and 2 children, age 5 years old and 8 years old. I do cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and car washing. And my main duty is to taking care of the children. And also I have experience here in the Philippines as housemaid for 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 2 children. I do cleaning, cooking, ironing, laundry, and car washing. Also, taking care of the children.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hope you select me as your worker. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.